All right, so I keep getting yelled at. Sorry, Mark. He sent me a razor handle and a nice chunk of what looks like walnut. Wants a new handle. It's been a few months. Let's see about making him a handle. Probably cut the hole right now. All right, good snug fit. But now it's straight, and you know most of your shaving handles have a slight curve. I kind of wonder if we can bend this since we turned it already. If that's even a possibility. Let's put it in some boiling water for a little while and see if we can get a bend in it. Alright, I did a few test pieces and that didn't quite work out. So, you know, bending after you turn it, hot bend and steam bend after you turn. Really shouldn't be all that hard, but I couldn't get it to work. Alright, man, so there you go. I'm gonna have to do a little more testing and see if I can get something small after turned already bent, because that seems like that would be fun. But that's all it is. I'll part that off, put some finish on the back, and call it a day. Alright, thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.